Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, if you have been following what I'm doing on this channel, this is the third video of the Build With Me series. So, what I'm trying to do is build a micro SaaS. The idea is simple, it's converting a podcast that a lot of creators are now posting on YouTube to clips, like social media ready clips, which you can post on Instagram as reels or shorts or TikToks, right? So that's what I've been building. I started with a very complicated tech stack and then convinced myself that there's no need for all of that. And they're just going to do a very simple MVP version of the website. So, firstly, there's going to be a landing page, and from there, which I have built using Card. Well, this is the demo website, but I've also built something similar. And then from this, as you can see, all these buttons, they would take you to a form where you can give in your email address, your YouTube video link, and just give some instructions that what you would like. And then, yeah, I would be creating clips for the people that do send me this information. So, yeah, it's interesting. So, I looked up a bunch of different ways to create forms, and one that I really found very easy and completely free is Tally Form Builder. So, I guess I'm just going to use this to create the form. I've already gone ahead and created one. So, this is how it looks like. What is your email address? Enter the YouTube video link and give us any instructions you like for the clips. So like you can give exact timestamps, or you can give me like some information, whatever you want. The easy, like, I mean, it's really easy to ask another question here. So you just like insert a block and then you choose the kind of thing that you want, right? Like you would say short answer, long answer, multiple choice. There are a lot of different options here. um, so yeah, you would just use any of these, and that would kind of be that. I mean, be that it. Sorry. Yeah, that would be it. So this is like a thank you page. I want to see how this works. So I would just insert it and I would write, we will be processing your request and you should hear back from us on your email in a couple of hours. Yeah, so I guess that's how it works. And let me just preview it. So, like, for example, and now just write, you know, just enter random details here and let me submit, and this is how it would look like. So yeah, let me just publish it and see how it goes. uh, okay, I'll just finish all of this. Yeah, and as you can see, this form is now published. So if you go here and just do this, you'll be able to see the form. which is amazing. It says this made with Tally and it is not on a custom domain yet. But I think that works for what I want right now. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Like what I wanted to show you is like the next step of the process, in which I'm going to be just taking a form, taking the information in from the user, and yeah, and now the next step of the process would be to connect this with my original card website, and then link both of them and launch it. So yeah, thanks for sticking with me if you watched this video too. And let's see what happens once we launch it, because I'm really excited to receive some inputs and receive some YouTube videos to check out. Yeah, thank you so much.